Okay, we've made it to Verona, to the bike show. It's freezing cold. We're going to make it. I bet there's going to be a massive queue there, isn't there?
Yeah, and it's all going to be outside. And then I bet something's wrong with our tickets. We have to go back to the car.
What's a bonus note I've heard of? Somebody ragging the absolute bits off a motorbike. That's quite exciting. So yeah, thought the Verona show was going to be just a little show, but actually it's absolutely enormous. And we also were told that the Milan show is like 4 times the size of the show, which I think is incomprehensible. I don't understand how it can be so big. So can't wait for that one. That's going to be crazy.
I think we're in a new one.
So we're back in the motorbike section.
Shall we have a beer? Give me alcohol.
You'll find something. A cool little Harley gathering.
What's all those little bars?
Cafes. Them lipped up.
Got dry lips.
She's in so much trouble. Yeah, I'm not sure about the whole girl thing at bike shows. I haven't seen any scantily clad men. I mean, if that happens, then I think that's totally fine. What do you think?
Yeah, well, I'd be alright with that then.
Yeah. You'd prefer they were all wearing flannel though, wouldn't you?
Yes, lumberjack men.
Lumberjack men, yeah. Fake rust effect helmets was actually really realistic. I mean, that literally looks like real rust. That's nice. Electric adventure bike, anyone? The gear on them almost seems like toyish. Like, look at the bar mounts and shit. I don't think they're there yet. I don't think so. Need better gear. Who is this? Yeah, this old lady's been abused, hasn't she? We've seen some action. Okay, so we're in the fun bit. Well, what we think is the fun bit, which is where you can buy all...
Bits to buy.
That's it, the bits to buy section. So much leather goods back here. So much leather.
Flannel.
So much flannel. Genius for polishing rings. Hordes of people. Oh, that's a nice colour.
So busy. I can't find a little quiet patch. Come on. Look, here it is.
Currently struggling to find any sort of adventure gear. I think we're just completely in the wrong holes. Oh, Bimmer. She's a Bimmer. Okay, now we've hit the big time. Full on Dakar. Yes. Oh my god, old Dakar stuff. Old desert rally stuff, like, so good. XT500. So 981 is like the first Dakar. That is freaking awesome. Oh my god. There's actually a plastic tank on that. Yeah, it shows you how much they were trying to fit in. Proper war damage. Oh, look at the little leather tool pouch on the back.
Oh my god, I'm gonna need one.
I think that's one of my favourite colour schemes, you know. Fluoro orange in the white. Brutal Bimmer. Paddy Dakar. Little leather tool pouch on the back. Oh, it's been on the Thrones as well. That's a beater. Look at that though, look.
Oh my god, your building equipment.
Yeah. That's probably done with a TIG. That'll have been tigged. Oh yeah, the little water tank, so if you run out of water, you've got something to drink. I love it though, it's so utilitarian finish on them.
Yeah, it's just like, there you go.
Oh, I love a rally bike. So many custom retro style helmet manufacturers now. It just has to get all a bit faux though, doesn't it? Because I mean, look, that's not really there. So I don't know if that counts. Oh my god, what are those?
I'd really want to go on that.
Stand next one so I can see the scale difference. It's a human-sized person. Perfect little models. Those little sports bikes were awesome. Tiny little, fiddle of them, like little, just put on your shelf. Maybe you can buy them in a kit, like a big cardboard box, paper instructions that are all in Japanese. So I wore a shirt today because I had some people to talk to, and I thought I'd look more grown up. But in reality, I'm just completely overdressed because everyone here is dressed really cool and got like really worn out leather jackets and like nice jeans and all that on. So I feel like a bit of a tool. I look like a waiter. I love a bit of Billy. Are you getting upset because those people are having fun? Riding and your bike's lost in the ether.
Lost at sea. That's where I should be. I'm going to be out there now.
So I've had a bit of a clean up and we're going to have a dinner now with a few of the guys from TFX, so that should be nice. Jenny's in the bathroom, preparing herself, preening. Oh, there you go. Did you hear that? Over.
Okay.
All prepared?
I think I'm done.
Excelente. Creepy stairwell. Hey! Wow. Doesn't get much more Italian than this stairwell, does it? Look at these doors.
Yes, let's go.
So medieval. Alright, yeah, let's go. So yeah, the Italians love their vintage bimmers. It's been a bit of a bimmer day today. We've seen a few of these. R80 GS. How badass is that bad boy? It's got a patina. Yeah, it's got little leg deflectors. So nice.
This is cool.
You like the ruckus? Yeah. Are they Hepco and Becker's? Proper period pieces. Vintage style tyres. So we decided to walk to the bar because it's quite far, it's like 25 minutes, but such a lovely location. It's a lovely temperature tonight, so
It is.
Little walk through Verona.
Delicious sights for the eye.
Some kind of mad castle here. We've been here before though, but it was in the summer and it was quite a few years ago. Went to the opera though. Managed to last like about 45 minutes of a 3-hour opera. Yeah, just couldn't handle any more. But we tried it. It just wasn't for us. It looked nice, but I just couldn't understand what anyone was saying.
Probably have to be of higher intelligence to.
Yeah, I don't think it's for our level of intelligence. The local Italians pay for like a season ticket and they just drop in for like 15 minutes on their way in from work and just take in a bit of opera and then pop off home.
I think a 15 minute stint would be good.
It's a bit like an espresso, isn't it? You have a very very quick shot of caffeine and get you going.
A little tasty bit of culture.
Yeah, so tasty bit of opera. Some mad Roman artifacture here. I mean, that is old, isn't it? It's got to be. I mean, look at that. Yeah, that crazy stuff just in the street. It's just part of the urban landscape. Look at these badass pillars. It's so old. And you know what? It's not in a museum, so I can literally do this. I can touch it. Ooh, Roman. Yeah, really nice evening for a walk. So I'd say it's maybe, I don't know, maybe 6 degrees, 5 degrees. Not cold.
I think.
When you start walking.
Hey! Oh my god. What an animal! Yeah. So get out of the way or get run over. Couple of drinks down. Woo, they were quite strong actually. Now it's a bit cooler and I've come outside, I'm feeling that. I mean, yeah, they were quite strong. But don't tell anyone. Basically, I'm a lightweight and I pretend that I'm not. I think it's just they make nice, good quality drinks here that are, you know, they've got a certain percentage value alcohol. We're both feeling a little worse for this morning.
God help me.
Yeah, I got a bit of a headache. Didn't really drink much though. I think it's just chatting has worn us out. So we've come out, just gonna try and find some breakfast and check out some of the town. There's a big tower there. That's cool. You're looking sprightly though.
No, I'm not.
Oh no, you got a bit of snot in your nose.
Yeah, real bad.
Oh no, that's bad. Going quite late last night, but I think we had a productive evening.
I do as well.
Really enjoyed it. Talked a lot about engineering stuff. My brain was swollen when I came out. Oh, We've just come across the Juliet balcony. Yeah, so last time we were here, we couldn't get through the gate, could we? I actually got a picture of you stood in a little dress.
I remember it. I didn't get to
It was a really warm night, that was. So yeah, the mythical Juliet balcony, even though Juliet wasn't a real person. It's crazy though how everyone just writes their names and their love hearts on the walls. Bit of a little tourist trap here. There she is though. Oh, some of the biker crew from yesterday. Hey. Lady grabbing a boob. What, do you get special points for that?
I think
It's a good look. Well, have you noticed how she's got extremely shiny breasts? Oh wait, we've got another inbound person. Come on, get on there. Don't be shy. Go on, get your hand on there.
Yeah.
Hey, you get up there and get your hand on a boob. You're getting ready, getting fired up for your your offensive gesture.
Touch the pussy. Yeah.